The next guideline your team should consider is the size and frequency of your iterations. Larger iterations will mean that they likely won't be released as often, while smaller iterations can come out more frequently but won't include as much. Again, the right choice depends on your team and their specific project. If you have a product that makes more sense when divided into larger, complex pieces, then you may decide to take longer creating each product release. Each release, however, will have a sizable quantity of features. If your product can be broken down into many bite-sized pieces of value, you may decide to adopt more frequent releases with smaller iterations. This may also depend on what your customer and stakeholders prefer. They may lean towards receiving more features at once or receiving smaller features more often. If your team chooses to, you can get their input about how they'd like to receive the iterative releases. Either way, your team will still be releasing aspects of the product more often than you have previously, so your customers will receive value earlier in the development process. Provide the most relevant product more quickly through release planning.